challenging. It was hard. It was different though. I mean, from doing the work in the field and working with the Absen product all the time, doing the various setups with the LED walls and where they're hanging or ground supported, coming in here and learning how to actually now work with the software and the program and troubleshoot was very interesting.
I've done a couple LED manufacturer trainings, and every time I would want the technical side, it ended up only being installed, and the technical portion got rushed. So I had to learn in the field the actual technical portion, and it was very piecemeal. So I actually enjoyed a comprehensive.
Nice. Good.
I like the hands-on learning that we got, especially during the finals, and trying to troubleshoot the demo ones that had the issues, even if some of the issues ended up being a little more than we were expecting.
Like having a chance to learn the eccentricities of the software before having to play with it in the field. So I do a lot of trial by fire type stuff. So good to have a primer.
Good. It was very in-depth. It was a lot to take in. It was definitely challenging. So I'm usually on the installation side, not the configuration side, so this was a stretch for me.
Okay.